Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 316. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 7. 3 here, so 5, 7. And that 3 again, so 5, 7. And so that means that our 3 has to be here. That 3 makes this our 5. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. And that 5 makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 7, 1 here, so 6, 7, 6 here, so 1, 7. That means that our 6 has to be here. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 9 here, so this is our 7. 7 here, 7 there. So no other help. 4, 9, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 6. No other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 7, 4. To finish out this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're missing 8. For this top row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 2, 8. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 1. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.